Hello there. I'm Trevor.
And I'm Jessica. And today, on Somewhere in the Middle, we're in Chino at Frosty's Pumpkin Patch.
That's right. We're here for the haunted harvest at Frosty's Pumpkin Patch. We've heard great things. So join us. Let's see what kind of scares we find in this corn maze with about 6 different houses. Let's go.
Boo!
Frosty's Forest Pumpkin Patch, located in Chino, is open 7 days a week and houses a wide variety of attractions for the whole family. Admission is $10, which includes access into the pumpkin patch, a 4-acre corn maze, as well as a large sunflower garden with a variety of photo opportunities.
Frosty's Forest Pumpkin Patch has a fair-like atmosphere with multiple vendors, concessions, and carnival rides like a Ferris wheel and swings, along with jumpers for littler kids. Rides, like the Haunted Harvest, are an additional cost.
The Haunted Harvest is open Thursday through Sunday, now through October 27, 2024. Tickets are $30 for general admission and $45 for Fast Pass ticket.
The Haunted Harvest has 6 different horrifying houses sprawling through a 2-acre corn maze. Our anticipation was incredibly high, considering this is one long experience with what advertising showed no escape.
The Haunted Harvest begins with entering Hauntbuster, a recreation of a video rental store that exclusively deals in horror movies. The video store front serves as a well-decorated queue with plenty of classic horror movies to chat about with your friends while in line.
The queue luckily spaces out guests for their frightening walkthrough experience. It also serves as the first of 6 original houses that are contained within the Haunted Harvest. The burning, oh no. Oh. Ah! Okay. Bro, this is no way. Oh, heck no. Oh my God. Ah! My guy. Yeesh. Oh my gosh. Ah! My gosh.
Next time, is this like a horror movie? Like, stop working!
Do you want me to do? I could do. Ah, sheesh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! Wow. Oh my God. Oh hell, where the hell do I go?
Jump into the intestines.
I don't want to.
You have to. It's the only way out.
Ah!
I don't like the vibes.
That's peaceful. Oh my gosh. It's dark.
Not for me.
It's dark. Oh, okay.
You can stay in that room. You can stay in that room.
Oh no. Wait. No. Why is this guy? Ah! Good. Oh, good God. No.
No thanks.
Okay, back into the May. Oh, sheesh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Ah! Sheesh. Holy moly. Dude, you look into this corn and it's just freaky as heck.
It's a horror movie, man.
I know, this is straight up. I couldn't imagine without a flashlight. Do you imagine no flash? No flash. This is, yeah, no. I like the light.
No.
Holy moly.
Get the distance out.
Oh my gosh, here comes the house of Goredy. I don't know about this one. It's in the house of Goredy. I don't like gore. Oh my God. I'm scared. Heck. Well, hi there. How are you? Ah! Shit! God. Sheesh. Wait. Ah, no. What's with that little devil guy? Oh. Ah! Sheesh. Oh my God. These gourds are insane. No lights. Better keep the lights off, huh? Okay, this is okay.
Oh, that was a good one.
Whoa.
I like pumpkin.
Yeah, that was crazy. The gourd place was nuts. Okay.
Pumpkin is good.
Holy moly. Dude, this is freaky as heck. Could you if this was like not paid for? Sheesh, the heck, dude. Oh, yeah. Good Lord. I love that it gets you even though.
Yeah, you know it's there, but it's still scary.
Sheesh.
You're in the middle of a cornfield.
Oh my God. Wow. Every time I hear any little, oh! Good Lord, man. Way to be. Holy schmolies. Oh my God. That's not good. You need to get that looked at.
These masks are really good.
They really are.
Good footage.
Oh my God, maniacs?
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my God. This room, okay. Sheesh. I want to walk through here. What in the? Oh hell no. Hi. How you doing? Ah! Gacy? No. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that was tough.
Not in the Maniacs.
Yeah. Dude, John Wayne Gacy, straight up.
Yeah, not for me. That was short.
It was short, but the whole Gacy thing is a little much. Oh, my lord. Hi. I think you need to get that looked at. Oh no, not another. Hi, I don't want to go that way. No, sheesh. Okay, there's Ah! Hi. Is that what the heck?
It's just like a guy.
I know that was like it reminded me of the baseball or the basketball player that died, that like the Grateful Dead. That's what it looked like to me. That was scary though. Sheesh. My God. Oh my gosh. I feel like I want to run at times. It's so scary. Don't go too fast. Ah! Good Lord! Wait, that's an L for something. What happened? Is it Santa come? Oh yeah, there's a Christmas one up ahead. Yeah. XXXmas. Oh no. I heard. I see. Okay, yeah. There's Frosty. Oh no.
Our boy.
He's looking a little. Oh my God. That's pretty cool. Oh no. Here I go. So many dead bodies. Let me get the light on this. Wait, I gotta go through this? No. Ah! My God! This is uh-oh. Oh, shoot! The toy soldier! Let me get a little... Hey, I'm going lights, because, you know, hey. Oh, my gosh. Wow. Much different with light on. No. Oh, Santa! No, Santa said, wait a second. Oh boy. Oh boy. Santa! Hi, Santa. Sheesh. Holy moly. Oh! Santa's back!
Double Santa!
Oh. Oh. I was good this year. Oh my gosh.
He's right behind you.
That was nuts.
I couldn't protect you, and I wasn't planning on it.
You just got force majeured right now? Sheesh. You just let creepy Santa get you. Oh God, these like clearings really with me. That looks like a space they come at you. Okay. Oh my God! Whoa! Holy moly! This is like double ska. Goredy.
So good.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, that was good.
That was amazing.
That was really good.
Man, that was epic.
I was not expecting that.
I did not expect double scare both sides. He was like my Michael Jackson Thriller werewolf. Like, it was insane. Woo! Oh, we're at Goredy's. was just the street. Yeah, I don't want to touch it. Hi, Goredy. Oh, no. Oh my God. Oh my God. No way. Nuh-uh. This is like Five Nights at Freddy's. Like, ah!
Oh my God.
My God. Oh. 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 Oh, hell no. Oh. Wonder what.
Cool. Gordy's is awesome.
Gordy's is crazy, huh? Oh my gosh. I don't like these clearings. Holy moly. I feel like it. Ooh. Ah! The werewolf again! Oh my gosh. God, the howling is just coming at me tonight. Sheesh. God. That guy is good. What's the noises? Nah. What is it? Jurassic Park over here? Nah. Ah! You look like you need to get that fixed. My gosh. Gosh. Woo, man, way to use some crates to make some effective. That was it, I think, yeah.
Wow, that was great.
That was epic.
Really good.
Holy crap.
The 30 bucks.
That was worth $30 by all means.
Oh,
That was
man.
insane
Honestly,
good.
It's agitating just even walking through the corners.
Woo.
I know, I like that.
My stress is like very high after that. That was epic. If you need to come to Haunted Harvest, you need to come to Haunted Harvest. This place is amazing. For 30 bucks, incredible. Haunted Harvest, epic. Holy crap, that was scary walking through those corn mazes.
Yeah, that was fun.
And watching people come up on us, jump out of the like, there's just moments where you're like, you see a clearing and you're waiting for them to come out at you. And
I like
don't.
how they spaced us out for that too.
Yeah, it's really well done. I think for 30 bucks, I think it's affordable.
I think, yeah, I like the scare actors.
It's really good, really good. And this runs through, I think, Halloween. So come check it out. Chino, 30 bucks, 45 for Fast Pass, but you didn't need Fast Pass.
Nah, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, come check it out. Awesome, awesome event. That being said, thanks for watching this episode. We'll see you in the next one.
Click the like button.